Torrential rains sweeping through China have killed at least 154 people and left 124 missing. Most of the casualties are being reported from a northern province where villagers have complained about a lack of warning before a deadly flash flood. The rains, which began on Monday, flooded streams, triggered landslides and destroyed homes across the country. But the tragedy did not surface until Friday, when local residents took to Chinese social media, accusing the authorities of failing to notify them in time for evacuation, when an upstream reservoir discharged the floodwaters.